friends, welcome to the channel Comparison of Numbers. How do you compare the numbers? First of all, we should know why to compare the numbers. Here I have a few numbers. To know which number is greater than and which number is lesser than, we compare the numbers. So here I have a few numbers. How to compare these numbers? To compare these numbers, we use certain symbols. Now let us see what are the symbols we use to compare these numbers. The symbols used to compare the numbers are, these are the symbols used to compare the numbers. This is greater than, this is less than, and this is equal to. How to identify these symbols? If you see this symbol, let us consider this as a mouth. If the mouth is pointing towards the left, it is greater than symbol. Now see this symbol. If this mouth is pointing towards the right, it is less than symbol, and this is equal to. This symbol we use when two numbers are equal. So greater than symbol means when the mouth is pointing towards the left, it is greater than symbol. And here, if the mouth is pointing towards the right, it is less than symbol, and this is equal to symbol. Now let us use these symbols to compare the numbers. Now if you see these two numbers, here I have 33 and here I have 20. To know which number is greater, first see the digit in the tens place. In the tens place, what is the digit we have? 3. Here we have 3 and here we have 2. So here 3 and 2. So 3 is bigger than 2. Now what is the symbol you have to place here? So as 3 is bigger than 2 means 33 is greater than 20. So the symbol we have to place here is greater than. So how to identify the greater than symbol? The greater than symbol, if you see the greater than symbol, the mouth should be pointed towards the left. So this is the symbol you have to place in between these numbers. So 33 is greater than 20. If you see the symbol, this mouth is pointing towards the left. Means its mouth is pointing towards the bigger number, greater number. So 33 greater than 20. So in this way, you have to use the symbols to know which number is greater. Now let us see the other number. Now if you see here numbers, here we have 27 and here we have 34. So first compare the digits in the tens place. In tens place what we have? Here we have 2 and here we have 3. So 2 is smaller than 3. Now what symbol should be placed in between these two numbers? As 2 is smaller than 3 means 27 is less than 34. So less than symbol should be placed here. Less than symbol means mouth should be pointed towards the right. So this is the symbol you have to place in between these two numbers. So 27 less than 34. If you see this symbol, this mouth is pointing towards the right. So this is less than symbol. So 27 less than 34. Now if you see these two numbers, first of all observe the digit in the tens place. Here what you have? 3 and here what you have? 3. Both are same, means both are same numbers. Here we have 31 and here we have 31. If the numbers are same, what symbol should be placed in between them? Equal to symbol. Means 31 is equal to 31. Both are same numbers. So in this way we use the symbols to compare the numbers. Now let us do a small and quick exercise. Now here is a small exercise. Now in between we have to place the symbols. If you see the first one, here first what we have 24 and here we have 36. First what we should do, we should observe the digit in the tens place. Here what we have 2 and here what we have 3. So 2 is smaller than 3, means 24 is less than 36. So we have to write here less than. Less than means how it will be? Its mouth should be pointed towards the right. So 24 less than 36. Now see the next one. Here what we have 43 and 12. First see the tens place digit. Here 4 and here 1. So 4 is greater than 1. So 43 is greater than 12. Now here we have to write greater than symbol. Greater than symbol means the mouth should be pointing towards the left. So greater. 43 greater than 12. Now if you see this number, here what we have 16, 16. So both are same numbers. So what is the symbol we place here? Equal to. So in this way we use the symbols to compare the numbers. I think you have liked the video. If you like the video, please comment it, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching the video.